Below, you will find information on what to consider when taking measurements for installing your pleated blind with glazing bead brackets. The pleated blind will later sit flush with the top and bottom edges of the glazing bead and will be positioned close to the window surface. Glazing bead brackets are only suitable for PVC and metal windows. Each leg of the brackets is 10 millimeters wide. The glazing bead should therefore be at least 10 millimeters wide as well. In addition, the glazing bead must have an uneven or angled profile to allow the bracket to be installed. For accurate measurements, we recommend using a metal tape measure to determine the order width of your pleated blind. Measure the distance between the left and right outer edges of the glazing bead. Be sure to take any protruding obstacles, such as the window handle, into account. The order height is determined in the same way by measuring the distance between the upper and lower outer edges of the glazing bead. Finally, enter the measurements you have determined into the configurator. In most cases, measurements must be entered in millimeters. We hope these instructions have been helpful and look forward to receiving your order.